What if your customers could verify their identity instantly with just a single selfie? No annoying head turns or OTPs required. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're looking at HyperVerge, an AI-powered eKYC and customer onboarding platform that is redefining how businesses handle identity verification and fraud detection. If you run a digital bank, a Fintech startup, or any business that needs to securely onboard users, you know how easily customers drop off when verification takes too long. HyperVerge solves this by offering a seamless one-stack solution. Its standout feature is its passive liveness technology. Instead of making users blink, nod, or enter codes, it uses advanced AI to verify identity and detect sophisticated deepfakes instantly using just a single selfie. But it goes much deeper than that. HyperVerge is built to verify every demographic without bias. It supports global identity documents like passports, driver's licenses, and voter IDs, automatically checking for image quality issues like blur or glare. For more complex setups, they offer both agent-assisted and agent-less video KYC, as well as business verification tools to check tax and registration databases. Plus, for financial underwriting, their OCR technology can instantly read bank statements and payslips to speed up loan approvals. Now, when it comes to user reviews, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have verified third-party user reviews or hands-on customer feedback in our database just yet. However, on paper, HyperVerge's credentials are incredibly strong. They've processed over 2 billion verifications, power over 500 enterprises, and their anti-spoofing tech is ISO certified, meaning it is built to withstand highly advanced fraud attempts. If you want to cut down onboarding friction, stop deepfakes at the source, and automate your compliance workflows, HyperVerge is definitely worth looking into. Head over to hyperverge.co to book a demo and see their AI in action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you handle identity verification in your business.